Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge duplicate contacts in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to know that there is no merging contacts in Salesforce Lightning experience. That means you will need to switch first to the uh, Salesforce Classic version so you can be able to merge duplicates contacts. So first, let's create some duplicates contacts and let's just clone this one. And basically, we want, for example, for this contact to be cloned, and I'm just going to clone it. And let's just click on save, and let's clone it again and click on save. So after that, and let's just have something else, Gonzalez D, and let's see. So now I'm just going to the Salesforce Classic, and from there we will need just to merge our contacts. So basically we need to search for our contacts, and we can find them here in the shatter, or you can just start searching for the contacts. So let's just search for contacts, and simply we can find them here. And as you can see, we can find these three duplicates, and we want to click on it, and simply we can uh, and basically we need to have them to be in the same account. So let's just go again to accounts, and from there we can find uh, for example, this account, and it should have the same records or the same contacts. And as you can see, we can find the merge account uh, action. So basically, you will need just to merge all the accounts from the records that you have, since I forgot to merge my contacts into one account, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.